'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around. I need no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. We might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world might change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Ayan. Hi, hello. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong dalawa. Sa inyo ni Feb and then kay Kaaway Kala. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo, especially sa araw na to. Ang inyong ang Mansari. Ayan. Ba't ako nandito? Ayan. Ayan, gusto ko lang kayong batiin dalawa. Happy 8 months of love. Stay strong. Stay who you are, especially kay Beth Kapamilya. Hindi ko daw po sa kalain kung bakit ko naging kaibigan. Opposite kami ng ugali. As in, sobrang opposite kami. Ang kaibigan ko dyan is yung jowa niya, asawa niya, dala. Ayan. Tapos yung makilala ko ka, pero I swear to God, thank you kasi daw na nakinig sa akin. Alam mo kung ano yun. Ayan. Thank you kasi nandyan ka. Dahil alam ko, I know to myself na nawawalan ako ng time. Sabi mo nga sa akin, hindi ako pwedeng magsawa kasi nawalan ako ng time sa'yo. And then, ano pang sasabihin ko yun lang. Ayan, sana sa inyong dalawa, inihiling ko lang na sana hindi mawala yung kung ano meron. Hiling ko lang sana. Sana hindi mawala yung kung ano meron. Happy. Love you guys. Okay. May palagi.